This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment and data so import is predictable. Install or update R in RStudio, then open a fresh script. Once done, place the dataset in a specific folder and copy the full path. This prevents confusion. Make sure you know the file type, CSV, Excel, RDS, or a database source, because each requires a different function. Now typesetted /path/ to /folder, or use RStudio's session set working directory to align R's file context. You now execute the import with the correct function for the file type. For CSV, prefer readr. Read CSV, file. CSV for speed and tidy defaults. For Excel, run readxl. Read Excel, file. XLSX, sheet equals 1. When connecting to a database, create a DBI connection with dbconnect, then dbgetQuery or dbReadTable. Also, explicitly set column types or call types, NA strings, and encoding so R parses dates and numbers correctly. This avoids silent coercion, and you finish by validating and cleaning the imported object so analysis can proceed. Use SDR, tibble, glimpse, head, and summary to confirm column types and missing values. Once you see issues, coerce types with as, date, lubricate functions as numeric or factor, and handle NAs. If import fails, check the file path, ensure no application has the file locked, verify read permissions, and try different encodings like UTF-8 or Latin 1. Often the error is a path or encoding mismatch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.